Guys, where are you from?
Ratokees.
Okay.
I give you a hint. We are from the most racist country in the world.
Most racist country. I need
Yes.
ChatGPT for this one.
Just to let you know, he's not actually lying.
Okay. You're maybe from China, maybe from India, maybe from Saudi Arabia, maybe from America, maybe from South Africa.
Most racist country in the world is Finland. What the fuck are you saying?
In Europe, against
ChatGPT
black
is
people.
saying, I believe ChatGPT with my life, actually.
Bro, what
Finland,
the fuck?
lukee, se on Euroopan.
Se on... Ei oo, siis se on maailma. Vissinkin. Niinku näin...
Kohta.
Niin siis prosentuaalisesti se on isoin.
Niin.
Ei... Sitä mä meinasin. We are also the happiest country.
So more you racist is that
Yeah, cause like we are happy Finland equals racist Finland, you know?
yes.
And
Now
the
I know.
reason we are happiest country in the world is that all sad people kill themselves. So it's kinda easy, you know?
GG. That's actually the perfect way to live. Now when I see that my country sucks.
Where are you from?
Serbia.
Okay.
I mean, I see y'all are racist because you named the group Niggers. And you're kinda good at PvP. You are kinda good at PvP.